Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Actually, no, that's not what this is. This is an episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the show where you watch me eat spicy stuff and you kind of do whatever you need to do while I'm doing it. Today we've got one from Malaysia, and this is Ghost Pepper Spicy Mee Goreng, Indonesia. And you know what? Their Mee Goreng Indonesia non-ghost pepper is out of this world. The cup version, I love that stuff. Love it, love it. Let me see, I need a paper towel. Napkin, if you will. Because I know this is going to be a little bit messy. So first things first, I told in the last show that I did, I'd let you kind of get in on what I do as far as prep for a mukbang. This stuff is great. Probiotic yogurt, man, you pound some of this stuff, that's like a nice coating. I like it. I'm not going to pound too much of it, but I didn't used to do this, but I do now, and it seems to make a difference. Yeah, generally what I'll do, what just happened there? I heard something go back. I'll do a little bit beforehand, and a little bit after, and it kind of like puts a barrier in between so your gut doesn't get all harshed out. Not that I've really ever had that problem, but I figure I'm getting older, I don't want to kill myself. So here is what we're mukbangifying. Get a look at that. I had some fish balls, some shrimp, stuff. My little swig of beverage just to make sure you don't get the hiccups. That's kind of my least favorite thing to have happen while I'm doing a mukbang. I'm sure that's understandable. Come on, I want the smaller fork. I like the little fork. I like the little fork. Where's the oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. I guess I could use a swirl fork, but I don't... Oh, what are those? No, not today. You gotta join the group if you're not in it. There's a guy named Flavio, and he invented this thing called the swirl fork. All the tines are like little corkscrews, so it kind of looks like instant noodles. Kind of a neat concept. A wonderful gift for those you love or are interested and fascinated by the instant noodle. Anyway. Miles, Mamee! I need the children. I need the children. Where are the children? Hey, Mamee, how you doing? Can I get a? Can you guys give me a? Let me prepare my doings. Wait! Don't go! Don't go! You got to be a little bit patient with me. Can I get a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go!
Thank you. Very sweet. I really like the noodle in this one. Very thick. Out of the gate, it's got a nice burn to it. Move the egg over. I'll have that towards the end. The fried onion is excellent. Always been a fan of fried onion. My attempt is going to be to complete the noodle, then I can go for the garnish. I don't know how long this yolk's going to let me do that though. Yowie zowie. Ah. Well, that's pretty much it for the noodle, I think. Fish ball. Yeah. I got a kick to it. It's good. It's good. It had a good burn before I went for the garnish. It still got a good burn. Recommended. Whew. And see now, you just hit a little bit of this, because I feel my gut getting a little funky. Sealed system. Boom. But yeah, I like this one. I'd like to say it would be on the top 10 spiciest, but it's not that hot. It's got a good burn. I mean, it's lingering. Whew. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Excuse me. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one.